Create a short film about a rabbit who beats all odds to become a boxing champion.
Another thrilling afternoon in paradise. 5 hours to go. Get it together, Barnaby. Almost done.
Dad, I want these boxing gloves.
How many times do I have to tell you? You need to focus on your studies, not this.
Just gotta keep going. One more stop. This is not who I am. I'm here to do great things.
That was Hollywood level, right? And I made it using Sora 2 to its maximum potential. And as you just saw, this does not look like a typical AI video that you see everywhere. It actually looks alive and full of emotion, which is outstanding. Now, as we all know, Sora 2 can create videos that are only 12 seconds long. But today, I'll be showing you a tool through which you can use Sora 2 to create videos that are up to 30 minutes long. Yes, you heard that right. And I created this video using that exact tool. Today, I will be showing you step by step how I made the video so that you can also awaken the inner director inside you and create something truly remarkable. So, without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. Alright, the tool we'll be using today is called VideoInu. This is literally the only tool I know that has the ability to use Sora 2 in this manner, and you guys already saw how awesome the results were. To get started, simply click on the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, you'll see an interface like this. As you can see, it's pretty simple and straightforward. Here, you can view generations created by other users, and as you can see, they look amazing too. You can scroll through them if you want some inspiration. Now, here you'll see 3 options. First, there's Story to Video version 2, which is the latest version and uses Sora 2 for video generation. Then you have another version, which is also extremely powerful. And finally, you have the image to video option, where you can generate videos from images. As you can see here, you can generate a few videos using Sora 2 completely for free, which is awesome. You can definitely give it a try. Now let me show you how I made the short film I showed you at the beginning. First, choose the story to video option, and it will take you to this interface. This is the section where you set all the parameters for your video. Start by entering your plot idea here. I'll paste mine. It's basically a prompt to generate a short film about a rabbit who wants to become a boxer. Next, make sure you select the Smart Script option. This will intelligently transform your small plot idea into a fully fleshed out scene draft. After that, choose the video style. As you can see, there are many different options available. I'll go with this one since the movie is releasing soon and there's a lot of buzz around it. Then, select the video duration. As you can see, you can go up to 30 minutes, which is absolutely crazy. I'll choose 5 minutes for now. After that, select your aspect ratio and video language. Finally, click on the Create button. It will start analyzing your plot, and based on that, it will generate a complete scene draft for your video. Once it's done, you'll be able to see that it has created the character based on our story, and it has also generated a scene-by-scene draft that you can go through to make sure everything is in order. If you want to edit anything or make any changes, you can easily do that from here. You can also change the character if you'd like. To do that, simply click on the Edit option and then choose from any of the existing characters or even create your own, which is pretty awesome. For now, I'll stick with the default character that it has generated and then simply click on Next. Now, VideoInu will analyze everything and start generating the images for each scene while maintaining perfect character consistency. It literally works like magic. And once it's done, you'll see an interface like this. I'm showing you the project for the video I displayed at the beginning. As you can see, it has created 27 different scenes with incredible looking images. When you go through the visuals and the characters, you'll notice that the character consistency is absolutely perfect. Trust me, you won't truly understand how good this is until you try it yourself. Now, if you want to change the image of a particular scene, you can do that very easily. First, select the scene you want to modify. Let's choose this one. Here you can see the prompt that was used to generate the scene. Simply click on the Regenerate button, and it will create a new image. And here it is. As you can see, it has generated a completely different image while maintaining the exact same character and visual style. You can now select the image you like from here or keep regenerating until you're satisfied. Now, if you want even more control, you can use the integrated Google Nano Banana option to make precise changes to your images. Let's try that. From this section, you can add an additional prompt to modify the image. For example, let's change the weather. I'll write this prompt and then click on generate. And here's the output. Wow, just like that, it's now raining. And as you can see, everything else remains perfectly consistent. You can also change the camera angle without even writing a prompt. From here, simply choose a camera angle. Let's go with this one, then hit generate. And here it is. As you can see, the angle has changed while everything else remains exactly the same. Honestly, Nano Banana feels like a cheat code. Now to turn this image into a video, click on the animate option, then click here to see the video models. I'll go with Sora 2. For the prompt, you can either use the smart prompt that's automatically generated based on the scene or write your own. I'll paste my prompt here and then simply hit generate. And here is the output.
Another round tomorrow. I just need to hold it together tonight. It'll be all right. Another round tomorrow.
Wow, that was truly amazing, right? It honestly looks like a scene from an animated movie. Sora 2 never fails to amaze me, no matter how many times I use it. Next, you'll want to go through each and every scene and make sure they are exactly how you want them. If not, I've already shown you how you can edit or regenerate them. You can also turn every image into a video all at once if you prefer. To do that, select any scene, click on Animate All, then select all the scenes and click Next. It will use smart prompts based on each scene automatically. Personally, I prefer doing it one by one because it gives me more control, but you can choose whichever method works best for you. Now, once you're done with everything, click on the next button. Here, you can adjust these settings if you want. I'll modify them according to my personal preference. After that, simply click on generate and you're done. And here is the final result.
Another thrilling afternoon in paradise. 5 hours to go. Get it together, Barnaby. Almost done.
Dad, I want these boxing gloves.
How many times do I have to tell you? You need to focus on your studies, not this.
Just gotta keep going. One more stop. This is not who I am. I'm here to do great things.
Another day.
I told you twice, Barnaby. You don't punch in late and leave the till short. You think this place runs on good
I'm
intentions?
done, Mr. Fern. I quit.
Wait, what?
100 grand. One fight. Somebody's gotta win it. Why not me?
All right. Up we go. One step at a time. Keep breathing. Let's make it count. I will make it one day. I will have to make it. I have no choice. Look at the little cotton ball trying to punch air. Go find some carrots, little guy.
You need to stop this and go back to your job, son. We are bunnies. This is not for us.
I can do this, Dad. Trust me.
Not giving up. Not today.
Coach Rex, I know I'm small, but I work harder than anyone. I need your experience. I swear I won't waste a second of your time or training.
We'll see.
Hold it steady, kid. You're not done yet.
I'm at 50.
Then let's see 51. Dig in. Come on, push the floor through the basement. There it is.
Hands up, chin down. Good. Keep them snapping. That's it. Quick like you stole something. Don't wait. Let it go. That's the bite. One more set.
Your chin tucked. Breathe through it. Tomorrow you make him feel every ounce of this.
Yeah.
Good. Snap the jab. Let that cross ride right behind it.
Got it.
That's it, kid. You're ready.
Keep him up, kid. Light on the toes, chin tucked, yeah?
Got it, Barnaby.
Jab. Good. Cross. Again, snap it.
How's that?
Clean. Now add the hook. Ready?
Ready.
Nerves are fine, kid. Means you care. But all that training, it's in there. You just gotta let it out. Tonight, you show him who Barnaby is.
Yeah, I will.
Go get him, champ.
That raccoon you just fought barely broke a sweat. You need more power, Barnaby, or you won't last against the champion.
Power comes later, Coach. Evasion won those rounds.
Easy, kid. Breathe. Let all that noise fade out. It's just you, the ring, and what you train for. Keep your guard high, watch your shoulder, and stay calm.
Yeah, got it.
Good. Now go show him what a rabbit can do.
Look at you, Tiny. You really think those patchy shorts are gonna keep you standing when I drop a paw on you?
Shorts don't win fights. Focus does.
Focus won't save you when the bell rings.
We'll see.
Misses, and the rabbit comes back. Jab, cross, he lands clean on the jaw. Ha! Uppercut sneaks through, the bear stumbles, but he swings.
Keep your guard high, kid. Make him miss.
Got it.
You're finished, little rabbit. Now, dig to the body, then bring it upstairs. That's it. Stay on him.
Where'd it go? Crowd's not with me anymore.
Oh, a perfect shot from the rabbit.
The champ is rocked. He's going down.
2, 3,
Listen to this crowd, they can't believe it.
8, 9.
He's out.
Kid, you did it. You went the distance and then some.
Couldn't have done it without you, Coach.
Nah, all heart, all yours. I'm just the guy
Feels
in
like
the
more
corner.
than that right now.
That was stunning, right? And now you can do it too, or even create something better. With VideoInu, you can truly unleash your creativity. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this tool now and start creating outstanding content. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.